Hey guys, on the delivery trail, Portmore, Greater Portmore this time. Auto parts, yes, we ship anything. Whatever you want from a thing to an anchor, we got this. So, Bossy, what's up?
Chief.
Hey, man.
Package reach already?
Yes, man. I get the fast car going quick and fast.
Finally.
Finally. It never take too long.
No, I like the delivery service.
Oh, alright, cool.
I recommend.
Okay, cool. And like, you change the address from me just on the beat like that.
You know where you go? And at the same time, to be honest, if I say I missed the call earlier.
Right.
Right. And you call you back, you come back in no time.
Oh, you like that?
Location.
Okay.
And you come on the location. I like that.
That is what we do. You know, we're kind of fluid, flexible like that. You don't do it though. But hey, we're fluid and flexible like that. Definitely. Wherever you are. You live here or the other location. You know, don't tell me your business now because next thing I get you in problem.
No, man.
So I'll leave it right there. But you've been on, you recently joined up with us or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was actually recommended by somebody from overseas.
From overseas.
Oh. So someone from overseas tell me about it.
Okay.
So, all right, no problem. Let me try it out and see how it works. And so far,
so good. Better than your previous shipper.
Yes.
Better than the previous
because I can say this without bias.
Yeah.
Lost the package.
Right. Oh.
Took me about 2 months.
From that up. Yeah.
You know what? Forget it.
Call it a day.
But somebody gave me great reviews.
All right.
Then
so
I hear that based on the location that I got the review from, majority of the persons overseas is your company I use. So I tried it. And it worked.
All the best.
Thank
all right,
you
big up yourself.
All right.
There you have it on the delivery trail. Short period of time. Just come on, man, please. We love that. That is what we do. We please our customer. We want to please you as well.